Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can withdraw Tonkeeper money to ByBit. So in the way you have to do first is verify your ByBit account. In my case I didn't do it because I have another account. This is for testing. And you have to go to deposit here. And once you are in deposit you have to select the currency that you want to withdraw from Tonkeeper, in my case USDT. And then you have to select the Ton chain. And when you do that, in my case it's not appearing because I'm not identified, you will receive two things: the address to withdraw, to deposit I mean, and the memo. So the first thing you have to do is go to Tonkeeper, select the crypto that you want to send to ByBit. For example, make an example that I'm choosing Ton but it's USDT. Press it and then you have to press send. Okay, so here in recipient address you have to put the address, and down there you have to put the memo. So when you do that, in a few minutes you will receive the USDT here to ByBit, and this also works for any currency. So if this video was useful for you, please remember to subscribe, comment, share, and press the bell in the subscribe button. So goodbye.